everybody, welcome to my channel. Sorry, I'm sorry. This cat is killing me. All right, we have today from Madam Glam 8 new polishes. This is the September release. This is September. I didn't receive these till today. The pictures that they put on their site do not do these justice at all. And I don't remember what this collection is called. I'll put it up here. But as always, Madam Glam are vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free, HEMA-free, and palm oil-free. And I do have a discount code. It's Guylene30. Thank you so much, Madam Glam, for sending these for me to swatch. And I have some other things that I got that I don't think I can show you yet. They sent it all together, or like kind of together, but she did say we could post a little bit of a sneak peek about one of them. Wow! Ooh, what was that? I don't know. What was that? All right, let's grab these polishes and start swatching them. A couple of them are like just screaming my name. First up, we have this nude. It's a pretty neutral nude color called Bring Me My Latte. And that's one coat. Pretty opaque, really nice. And here's the second coat. Very pretty. And next up is Office Chic. And I am loving this one. It's a mauve pink. Like a pink version of Sweater Weather. Sweater Weather is a darker mauve. That is beautiful. Yeah, I used Sweater Weather today on a client and she absolutely loved it. It is the same like tone family, kind of a mauve color, but this one is much lighter than Sweater Weather. It's beautiful. And next up is Executive Flame. Oh, this is for the pink girlies. That's very pretty. I don't know that it's for me, but it's really pretty. It's just a dark pink. And now we're getting into me territory. Union Blue. That is a very pretty medium dusty blue. And there's two coats. And now for the glitters. I am going to save my favorite for last. These are gorgeous though. This is Shine and Thrive. That's one coat. And there is 2 coats. Career Pink. Okay, these pinks could definitely work well in October. Oh, that is so pretty. If I get too close, it won't focus. So that gives you an idea of the holographic glitter shift in there. And there is 2 coats. So these glitters seem to be completely opaque in 2 coats. But when it comes to glitters, I generally put a cream base first that, you know, complements or is same as that color, and then put that on top. That's just me. Next up we have Bossy Glam. Ooh, that one is just like that pink, only more red. And I put that pretty thick, so. And there is Bossy Glam with 2 coats. Ooh, so pretty. And next is my favorite, Business Style. Oh, and this is the least opaque of them all. But like the most holographic shifty. I think that needs to go over Union Blue or even black. Oh, gorgeous. Let's see what 2 coats does. Yeah, I feel like that needs to go over black or this blue. All right, I had to do a stick with Perfect Black. Ooh. Yeah. I mean, I think a navy blue would look pretty underneath that too. Stunning. So nice. Ooh, I love it. All right, another day of me trying to film with a cat in here, but if I don't let him in, he sits outside my door and just meows. So what am I supposed to, oh look, now he's gonna be cute. Now I'm gonna be cute. Rotten cat. And there they all are, swatched with 2 coats and top coated. They're very beautiful. Ooh, you know I love the glitters. I'm all about the glitters. But I am not unhappy with these creams because they are beautiful too. And this is giving fall for sure. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Okay, well, he's not crazy about it, but he wants out so bad. You're just... Well, it's that or the cage. There you go. Oh. You're scaring him, Tom. You're scaring him.
I scared the cat.
Yeah. Too much noise. Alright, back in the tent where he's safe. He's playing with a feather. Just sitting in there watching the birds.